Let's start. Open TimeCut app. Click on Quality Enhancer. Select Video. Wait for completing the process. See the difference between the quality. Open Alight Motion app. Select the video which we saved. Select two rectangle. Increase the size of rectangle. Click on first rectangle and fill with white color. Click on blending and opacity, then click on overlay. Click on second rectangle and add effects. Click on blending and opacity and click on difference, then click on subtract. Now your video is ready.